real pilot! Hey, baby cat, want a race? Absolutely! 2, 1, go! You're fast! I'm gonna win! Liz dined! Watch out!
Oh no!
My airplane! I'm sorry. Papa, baby dog accidentally crashed into my airplane.
Don't worry, son. Tell me everything.
Papa, it wasn't my fault. My airplane couldn't be saved.
I understand, son. Every problem has a solution.
Really?
Trust me.
Where are we going?
Somewhere magical.
Wow, I've never seen anything like this.
Welcome to the chocolate factory. Welcome! How can we help you today? We're here to collect special chocolate.
There are so many kinds.
Take plenty. We'll need all of them. Good luck with your special project!
Thank you. Thank you. Papa, what are we gonna build?
You'll see very soon.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Now the real work begins. We're not going to repair your old airplane.
Then what are we gonna do?
We're going to build an even better one.
Wow.
This is...
What's happening?
The magic crystals are making the chocolate stronger than steel.
It's starting to look like an airplane.
We're just getting started.
It's even more beautiful than my old airplane.
Every great pilot deserves a great airplane.
It's alive!
Our masterpiece is complete. Ready for your first flight?
Ready! We're flying! Wow! Look at that airplane! Yeah! This is the best airplane ever! Can we fly with you? Of course! Everyone is welcome.
Always share your happiness with others.
Let's go on an amazing adventure together! Wow! This is amazing! Welcome aboard, everyone! Look! The whole city looks beautiful! Flying together is much more fun! This was all my fault. Baby cat, can I talk to you? Of course. I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have flown so carelessly. I forgive you. Friends always deserve. Thank you, my friend. Come on! Come on! Let's fly together! Let's fly together! I'd love to! Flying together is much better than competing. Best friends always fly together.
You did it!
Thank you! Did you enjoy today's adventure? Please like and share.
Subscribe and turn on the bell. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Wow, my RC airplane flies perfectly. Look at those awesome tricks. That's amazing. Hey, baby cat, let's have an RC airplane race. Challenge accepted. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm taking the lead. Not for long. The wind is getting stronger. I can barely control mine. Huh? No, my airplane! Help! They disappeared. Where did they go? Papa, our RC airplanes vanished into a glowing storm.
Slow down and tell me. I found an unusual energy signal.
Do you think our airplanes are there?
They step onto the highest platform of the old tower, and the sky itself tears open before them.
I've never seen anything like this.
This portal must be connected.
Here we go!
Stay close.
This place is incredible! It's like a city in the sky. That's my airplane! And mine too!
Guardian airplane activated. Power systems restored.
They're alive!
Thank you for freeing us. We are the Guardian Sky airplanes. But we were defeated by the Shadow Air Fleet.
Who trapped you here?
Warning!
Warning! Something's coming!
Shadow Air Fleet approaching.
Today, this floating island belongs to us. Battle stations, prepare for combat.
Guardian team, take off!
Good luck!
Destroy them all! Protect the floating island!
Target eliminated! Awesome!
There are too many!
Be careful!
Be careful!
You cannot stop me!
His power is overwhelming!
Please get up!
System failure.
We can't lose them!
We can still save them.
Let's hurry! Hold on! We'll fix you!
Thank you.
Now the real work begins.
We'll make them stronger than ever!
Let's rebuild our Guardian airplanes.
We'll help you, Papa! Their systems are restarting!
Power restoring.
Wow! What are those crystals?
These are...
We're ready for one final battle. Let's save the floating island.
No one can stop my Shadow Fleet!
We have to stop him now!
Guardian team has returned! Today, courage and teamwork saved the skies.
If you enjoyed today's RC airplane adventure, like, share,